Ruin value is the concept that a building be designed such that if it eventually collapsed, it would leave behind aesthetically pleasing ruins that would last far longer without any maintenance at all. The idea was pioneered by German architect Albert Speer while planning for the 1936 Summer Olympics and published as the theory of ruin value, although he was not its original inventor. The intention did not stretch only to the eventual collapse of the buildings, but rather assumed such buildings were inherently better designed and more imposing during their period of use. The idea was supported by Adolf Hitler, who planned for such ruins to be a symbol of the greatness of the Third Reich, just as ancient Greek and Roman ruins were symbolic of those civilizations. In his memoirs, Albert Speer claimed to have invented the idea, which he referred to as the theory of ruin value. It was supposedly an extension of Gottfried Semper's views about using natural materials and the avoidance of iron girders. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.